Good morning, Danielle. It's Saturday, which means I have to clean this room of mine. And probably the fish tank, because it looks kind of dirty. And they're all kind of hanging around the bottom of the tank. Not very happy fishies. What are you chirping at? Anywho, let's get to it. Cops are yelling at a homeless person. That's funny. So that cop thing was outside of Walmart, and he was still there when we left, but the cops weren't, so I don't know. But I went to Walmart and I got this because it's awesome, hilarious. I love it. I borrowed it from the library and watched it again, and look what I finally got. Finally, my sandwiches can be dinosaurs. I got a Snickers bar and my spicy Doritos, but I got these because it's kind of hot in my room sometimes during the summer, and so I needed some pajama shorts. So I got these little cupcake ones, and then I got a shirt that comes with it that says piece of cake, and it's got a peace sign of cupcakes. I just thought that was adorable. Oh yeah. Yeah. I still need that Perry shirt. That's like the blue shirt with Perry's eyes and stuff. I love that shirt. I saw several of them at Disney World and I couldn't figure out where they'd gotten them because I hadn't seen them in any of the shops, so I need that shirt. And unfortunately, if I get it online, I have to figure out what size I am. Okay, I already listened to the soundtrack last night when I was watching the video, but I didn't record my reaction because, one, I forgot, and two, I couldn't turn the volume on since it was late. So I'll just listen to it again. Like, pieces of it sound kind of familiar, but then again, they could just sound like another movie. So I'll probably have to ask for another clip and probably some clues. Let's see. For some reason this reminds me of part of Secret Garden, but I know it's not Secret Garden. And that makes me think of Peter and the Wolf for some reason. And that makes me think of Peter Pan. Like Hook. Really reminds me of Hook. At least that part. Yeah, I'm gonna need other sound clips because I don't know if I've even seen this. It reminds me of too many movies. Maybe it's like the composer. I'll ask you who the composer is. Maybe that'll help. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay, I texted you asking who the composer is just because I'm thinking of a couple and I want to know if it's any of them. So I'll wait for you to text me back. And wait. And wait. And wait. And wait. Ooh, thunder. Sounds like my dad just brought the dog in because she was scared. Working on my other blog. The one that you know about so far, but that's still hidden. I need to record the video that I was telling you about but didn't actually tell you about because it's a secret, because it's awesome. Guess what I'm doing? No, really guess. Did you guess making you sick with camera movements? Then you were wrong. I'm ready. I am so tired. I wrote like a paragraph and I was like, I can't do it. I need to sleep. But I hate taking naps because then I'm confused when I wake up and then I can't sleep that night. It seems like we're really bad at this whole imagination thing. So I know we keep changing it, but do you think we should do like, just do videos once a month? Just be like, we can put that on our channel. New videos once a month, you know? Because it's just too hard to do everything. And we just don't seem to do it. So yeah, I still want to do the making decisions thing, whether you can talk about the little Bible thing if you want, because I have an idea that Orson Scott Card talks about, where you write down your decisions or whatever else, because I have an idea that I wasn't going to talk about that unless you want me to. But anyway, so yeah, I think we should do it just once a month. Just to make it a little easier on ourselves, because we're doing our Just Us ones every day, so I think that fulfills our quota. So I think that's just, yeah, let's just do imagination once a month. I'm sorry, that must have been terrifying for you. It was kind of scary for me, too. I got another book at the library. I still haven't even finished Red Pyramid, the one I bought. I'm only like 8 chapters in, and I read that all within like a couple hours, but then I borrowed 2 books at the library, and I'm reading Incarceron and then Infinity, but I still haven't finished Incarceron because I had to stop for the last few days because I've been busy. And then I have the other one I borrowed, Infinity, which I haven't even started yet. And today I borrowed Shiver, just because I saw it there and I was curious, because people seem to like it, and I like werewolves more than I like vampires, so... And I still have to read the one you gave me for... was it Christmas? Or my birthday? I think it was Christmas. No. Yeah, what is it called? Oh, that hurt my head. The Mysterious Benedict Society. I still need to read that one too. I have a headache. Look at this poster of racehorses for a minute. Racehorses. A beautiful collage of racehorses that I put together myself. It's beautiful. Beautiful racehorses. They call to you in your sleep. Nay, nay, I'm a racehorse. Nay. Sorry. I'm really tired.